Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So this one that is about the square root of s to the power of 2. This one that is about the square root of 8 to the power of 2. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Next, we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. S approach to 8, so we put the value of 8 goal here, and now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.